Good morning. This is Nico Casino, heavy equipment technician. Today I will perform overhauling, and now I'm checking the hammer 45 RB45 for uh, overhauling. In the breaker, the parts of breaker. This is the head. This head also in the top of the hammer breaker, and this one will be uh, charging with nitrogen gas here. The point of you charge the nitrogen gas is the port is in here. See, in here. And all the parts of the hydraulic breaker is this one is the piston, the sleeve retainer, the body, the housing, the accumulator, the control valve. The accumulator also this side will charge the nitrogen gas. And the operation of this hydraulic breaker is attached to excavator. Usually it attached to excavator attachment, and this is also the housing. This is the housing, the last part, and the bushing. And here we will put the chisel for the hydraulic breaker. the function of the hydraulic breaker is the hydraulic oil. It is a connect with line breaker connection. This is in and this is out. So this portion will go the hydraulic pressure, and it will come here. It will come here, and then it will pass in this area, pass through in this area, and go to the accumulator, and then in the control. The hydraulic pressure will come here and pass through the accumulator, and then in the control valve. And this one, the retainer, it will the oil is coming here in the retainer, and this piston will go up, and this head of the nitrogen will push this piston many times. So it will create vibration. It will create vibration to the racks, especially racks. So now I do the overhauling because this attachment have leak, internal leaking. You see have the damage in the ring, and also here have leaks here, and we will send it, this two piston and this housing, we will send it to machine shop for polishing the inside and outside. This one a wiper seal, the U-cap seal 1, 2. This is the U-cap seal, the 2. Okay, and then I will make a part 2 for installing the seal gland of the hydraulic hammer. Thank you and good morning.